Graduated from Patna College, right? So tell me something about the Patna College itself, about its history and the kind of courses which are being conducted by Patna College.
Patna University is one of the oldest institution in Bihar during Britishers period.
No movement of hands, please. इसको ऐसा रख लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
It offers many courses from architecture, ancient history, geography, English literature, etc. And it is one of the premier institutions right now in the state.
Okay. Suppose you have to give some suggestions to the government of Bihar regarding the improvement of the level of education, the kind of education and other things like administration, infrastructure in this college campus. What will be those suggestions from your side?
And currently they are improving a lot in the field of administration, college administration. Likely NAC coming, they are performing well. First they should recognized with NAC grade A, and better infrastructure should be built in the college campus itself. Better teacher student ratio should be implemented.
That is one point. That will be the first suggestion. I think you should talk about the teacher student ratio, and the next thing is the infrastructure, I think. And what next? 3 more.
Lab practices, sports, they should participate in Khelo University sports.
Sports, okay. So which sport is your favorite one?
Badminton.
Badminton.
I play badminton normally and watch cricket also.
Who was the first Indian badminton player who won the All England Championship?
Pulela Kokich. Prakash Padukone.
Prakash Padukone. Any link between Prakash Padukone and Deepika Padukone?
Father and daughter.
Father-in-law हैं उनके?
Father and daughter.
Okay. So you are from Munger district, right? What is the industrial history of Munger?
Since Mir Kasimira, he built ordnance factory. Right now Munger has many industry like cigarette factory, gun factory.
Okay, they have the gun factory also.
And
Very good.
ITC dairy factory.
Okay. So do you think Munger district is very developed in that sense, industrially, I mean?
They have rich mineral resource, but unfortunately they are not much industrial developed as compared to other states like Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh. But the ex-current minister Shahanwaz Hussain said he will build defense industrial infrastructure in Munger.
Okay, very good.
And they are building many infrastructure.
They are making efforts in that direction, right? That's fine. You have studied sociology as well. So, first of all, you tell me why did you choose this subject called sociology?
When I read syllabus during BPSC civil service preparation, I connect myself.
What was the basis of this connection?
I feel connect with society.
Is your feeling sufficient to choose your optional subject? Or you must be having some background in that area?
No, sir. Earlier I don't know about sociology, but during the preparation I came about.
So you understood everything, whatever is needed, you understood everything in sociology.
I understand society, I connect with society better.
What is society?
Society in layman term, where we live with our fellow family, friends, relatives. We communicate with them, we live with them, we engage with them in economic term.
So do you suggest that society is a way of living? Is that definition correct?
Yes.
According to you, this is correct? Or something more is required to be added in that definition?
Society in which as human is social animal, they live together in harmonious.
Animals are also the part of our society.
They live with animals too.
Are animals a part of our society?
Pet animals.
They are.
Yes.
Okay. You tell me about division of labor. Have you read it? Division of labor.
Mm.
What is division of labor?
Division of labor, labor differentiated on the basis of
Who
economic.
propounded this concept of division of labor
Weber.
in the society?
Weber propounded.
What is the full name of Weber?
Alfred Weber.
Max Weber.
That's Max.
And what about Marx?
Karl Marx. Theory of class struggle.
Theory of
Class struggle.
class struggle. So he is talking about different classes in the society, and particularly he has named two classes
Mm.
in English. What are those two classes in the society?
Proletariat and bourgeois.
Okay. So what are those bourgeois people? How will you identify them?
Uh, those belonging to upper strata they have resource in with themselves are called bourgeois, and proletariat have nots.
Have nots. Okay, very good. You tell me about. I'm giving you three names from the sociology. The first one is Max Weber. The second one is Karl Marx.
Second.
Karl Marx, and third one is Durkheim.
Hmm.
You might have studied all these three names,
Yeah.
right? So what are the differences between these three scholars approaches regarding the society?
Karl Marx sees society through only class struggle. He propagated that everything happening in society only basis of class division, have and have nots, and Durkheim division of labor, and Weber giving theory of suicide and suicide.
And what about Durkheim?
Durkheim division of labor, religion, Protestant ethics theory,
Karl Marx belongs to which country?
German.
Germany. Any other famous name from Germany? From any other field also?
Albert Einstein.
Einstein was from Germany. Okay. Let's come back to sociology. On one hand, we are talking about the division of labor, classification, etc. So, do you think that those concepts are still prevailing across the globe? I mean, and we are following those footsteps as suggested by those sociologists.
Yes, sir. That theory is still relevant in today era. As Oxfam report shows that huge class struggle still exists in India.
That is fine, but the whole world is moving towards capitalism.
Mm.
So capitalism, in some senses, is representing that bourgeois class. So capitalism is growing day by day, and this communalism, socialism, everything is going down and down on a regular basis, because we have seen collapsing so many institutions and so many organization in that sense, because organization is also something we need to study in sociology.
Mm.
So we have seen USSR, etc. So all those structures are collapsing. So can't we say that Marxism is also collapsing these days, or it has collapsed already?
Communistic state collapsed, but we can bring middle path, balance of capitalist and communistic society.
Don't you think that those theories which identified these social issues, social problems,
So
they must have suggested some solutions also, because we know that whenever we see the Marxist leaders, they talk about the social issues, but when it comes to the finding the answer, the solution to those problems, I think they fail in doing that. So raising the problem and identifying the problem is not something which is something very good in that sense, but you need to have some solutions also. So Marxism is, of course, very good at identifying the problems, but when it comes to giving the solution, Marxism utterly fails in doing that.
as nowadays neo-Marxism theorist coming giving new solution to world problem, postmodernist era.
Okay, then what is this modernity? First you tell me about modernity, and then I'll talk about postmodernity.
Modernity is after industrialization phase, there is a rise of science and technology.
Give me the name of the subject to which this idea of modernity can be linked with. I'm giving the options. I'm giving you the options. Modernity can be linked with history, it can be linked with geography, it can be linked with sociology,
Economics.
economics. But modernity is somewhere referring to the timeline.
After industrialization.
That is time. After, before, it is referring to some time.
But it linked with economics.
No, just justify your answer.
After industrialization, division of labor is.
But after industrialization, everything is fine. But what is this after and before? Industrialization is fine, but what is this after and before? You are referring to some timeline. What is that timeline?
17 something.
Suppose we are going to identify this modernity or modernism, whatever you call it, modernity. Then we have to refer to some historical events, and then only you can say that okay, this event is modern event, this one is post-modern, etc. So modernity is primarily linked with the history, right? And it gives you the reference of time, and then you add so many subjects with that timeline. So primarily it is history. We were talking about policy making. You spoke about society, you spoke about economics. Who is known as the father of economics?
Adam Smith.
Adam Smith, right? So why do we call him the father? What is so special about Adam Smith?
He gave theory of free market concept. Laissez-faire.
Free market. Free market is linked with another concept, that is laissez-faire. Do you know about that?
Yes. Free.
Distinguish these two.
Sir, I am not. Less.
Okay.
Are you comfortable with English?
Yes.
Tell me about Munger district.
Munger is historically rich culturally from ancient. It is era of Karna in Mahabharat. It is capital of Mir Qasim, and many great freedom fighter belongs to Munger. Sri Krishna Singh, first Chief Minister of Bihar, belonged to Munger. And Munger saw peasant movement in 1922. Munger is rich in geographically and lots of minerals, and
Okay.
it bound by Ganga.
You have to say in north this district, in south this district. Tell me the neighbor districts according to direction from north, south, east and west.
Munger north.
Yes.
In north there is Begusarai. In south Bhagalpur and Banka. In east Khagaria. In west I'm not.
Have you read newspaper daily?
Yes.
And you have also read today's newspaper. Which newspaper you have read?
The Hindu and Hindustan.
Patna edition. Okay. Give me 3 important news.
As Neeraj Chopra win gold for country.
In which games?
Asian Games.
Where?
Guangzhou.
Zhuangzhou.
Guangzhou.
Where is Zhuangzhou?
China.
China. Okay.
And
Second news?
caste census. And third is Canada issue.
What is caste census?
It is conducted by Bihar government, counting caste of Bihar citizens.
Tell me one thing. Is it caste census or caste counting?
Caste census, social, economical, all therein.
Are you confirmed that it is a caste census, not caste counting?
Caste census, not caste counting.
Caste counting. Which list is caste census? State list or union list or concurrent list?
Union list.
Union list. Then why Bihar has conducted caste census?
As Bihar government said, it is necessary to recognize real vulnerable section, so to provide them basic schemes.
Okay. Your third preference is state election officer, right? Tell me the work and function of Bihar State Election Commission.
Bihar Election Commission conduct elections for panchayat, municipal body. They prepare electoral rolls for them.
Electoral, sorry?
Electoral rolls.
Okay, okay. And who is the chief of State Election Commission of Bihar at present?
And I don't remember.
Acha, you don't remember. Acha, in the Hindu newspaper you have read today, an article is published. His title is Social Structure of Bihar. Have you read it?
Yes.
Yes. What is the social structure of Bihar?
Social structure in Bihar is probably based on caste based.
Okay.
EBC, OBC, so-called upper caste. This is social structure of Bihar.
Achha. Maximum land holding of Bihar goes to which caste according to the latest census done by Bihar government?
Upper caste.
Upper caste, which caste? Upper caste is a label, not a caste. Which caste? Bhumihar, Thakur, Brahman or other? Bhumihar. What percentage of land they hold?
Sir, I don't.
Oh, you don't. Okay. Do you know any leader of Bihar who inspired you a lot?
Sir, there is no any leader in Bihar.
Do you think Bihar is leaderless?
Earlier there used to be in,
Still we have so many leaders, so many.
still then can I take name? It's MP from my constituency, Lalan Singh.
You like it?
Yes, sir.
Lalan Singh, okay.
I know.
Acha, which state do you like most in India?
My home state.
Bihar.
Yes.
Why?
Because I born here, brought here, completed education here.
Who was the first female chief minister of Bihar?
Srimati Rabri Devi.
Srimati Rabri Devi. Which year?
2000, 2005. After
2000?
90s.
2005.
No, 2000 to 2005.
Okay, 2000 to 2005.
5.
Have you read preamble?
Yes, sir.
And you must have to remember preamble. What is the lines of preambles?
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved, constitute India into secular democratic republic.
Wait. What do you understand by democratic?
Democratic, in which people choose their representative.
Very good. From which country the concept of preamble has been taken?
From USA.
From
USA.
USA. Okay. Where is USA situated right now?
In North America.
In North America. Is it North America a continent or other things?
North America continent.
Continent. How many countries have situated in North America?
Probable 40, 45.
45 countries.
Probable 50,
50 countries in North America.
45 something.
What is your name?
The
Ria. What is meant by Ria? Ria is a unique name, na?
Ria mean in Hindu mythology Devi.
Devi. Which Devi?
Normally in Hindu goddess we called Devi.
Okay.
So we have the names in Hinduism. We know so many goddesses. This goddess.
There is no any goddess, only Devi is.
Devi. Okay. Achha, give me 5 major regions which are responsible for backwardness of our Bihar.
First, least urbanization.
Sorry?
Least urbanization.
Least urbanization. Okay, very good.
But we are progressing from recent economic survey data and hugely congestion due to overpopulation.
Very good.
Recent data cast census tell 13 crore people lived in Bihar.
Very good.
Third, industrial backwardness due to freight equalization policy and earlier central policy. We faced industrial backwardness despite mineral rich region of Jharkhand. And fourth, lack of employment. And fifth, lack of skill in youth.
Okay. After making SDM or hold the post of SDM, which three types of different work do you want to do in your Anumandal which are related to the development for women?
I will link women to MSME, Laghu Udyog,
Yeah.
and skill building, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, linked with them.
These are the schemes for Indian government or Bihar government. What work do you do?
I will do adult literacy program.
This is a program work. What do you want to do? Work.
I will try to bring at par with society, educate them with government scheme, and
Educate with government scheme is your responsibility, not your work. There are many differences between work and responsibility. I am asking you what types of work you will do.
I will do in health sector, education sector.
Which type of work in health sector?
ANM can improve their ASA nursing training, and education sector.
Achha, tell me your three weaknesses.
My weakness is sometimes getting nervousness, and I procrastinate, and third is, but I try to improve my weaknesses.
And three, strength.
Strength, I learn from my mistake quickly, and I observe society better, and I have empathy and helping nature.
Empathy and helping nature. Achha, tell me the post hierarchy of SDM. Starting from SDM and goes to upper post.
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know.
I currently don't know, but I will go and read.
You will go and read. You must have to go and read this. Okay. You have done your graduation with history, and you have chosen sociology in your optional. Why you have changed your optional in BPSC?
In 2018, when I started my graduation, I liked history subject, but after reading syllabus of civil service, I changed my likeness towards subject.
Okay, which three things from history you have learned and you want to execute in your Anumandal or blocks or districts as SDM? Tell me three.
History is
Three things you have learned which will help you in administration.
As we know that Champaran Satyagraha is held in Bihar. I learned that leadership came from Bihar. So Bihar can also give leadership to nation. And
Second is
second, Bihar is land of Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism. So we can promote tourism, and government is making many circuits to promote tourism and culture. And third is, as we learn in history, Bihar has a lot of potential in painting, Madhubani painting, Manjusha painting. So we can promote through.
Tell me one thing, Ria. What types of potential for tourism in Bihar?
Bihar has potential in religious and ecotourism, as we see in Rajgir.
Tell me only types, not elaborate them. Only types.
Religious tourism, ecotourism, geographical tourism, economic tourism.
Economic tourism. What is economic tourism?
Just like Bihar Museum,
Okay.
it can add to economy of Bihar.
Okay. How many World Heritage sites present in Bihar?
Probable 3 or 4.
3 or 4. What are they?
Nalanda University,
Okay.
ruins of Nalanda University,
Okay.
Mahabodhi Temple,
Okay.
and third. Sir, I don't.
During your interview, what have you observed? What do you observe?
I observed some nervous.
Nervous. You observe nervousness.
No, nervous. Some hesitancy.
Okay, tell me one thing. How much marks from 120 you want to?
120,
Yes. Among 120, how much marks you want?
at least 85.
At least 85. Okay.
Your interview session is over right now. So I'll give you some, insights, some suggestions. You can keep it for a moment. So I'm giving you some, observations, some suggestions, etc. The first thing is that I'll talk about some positive things in your personality, right? Your face looks very, innocent. That is a positive thing, right? And you have studied your subject. That is also fine. There is a message in your, conversation that you have studied your subject. That is also very good. But when it comes to the, the depth of your knowledge, you have studied is one thing, and having the depth of the knowledge is another thing, and presenting that knowledge is the third thing, right? So the primary two things are very good, but third thing is missing, right? So far as the presentation of your knowledge is concerned, I think you need to read more, you need to revise more. And let's come to your negative things. It is not negative because you don't know it beforehand. The first thing is that your hand movement. You have to confine your hands like this. Yes, that is the better posture. And if you want to keep it like this, that is also fine, but don't shake it unnecessarily, and don't make any movement like this. Okay, so that is regarding your posture. The next observation is regarding your eye contact. You are not contacting at the level of the eyes with the members. Sometimes you are looking at the terrace, fan, etc. So don't do that. Whenever a question is being asked to you, at that time you have to look into the eyes of the person who is asking the question. And once the question is over and you are starting answering, then you can look at all the members one by one, so that just to make them feel that you are not ignoring any of the members of the board, right? That is the second thing. And the third thing is pitch of your voice. The pitch of your voice is very low, right? Because we are sitting very close, so I can hear you right now. But once you go to the BPSC, they will be sitting very far away. So at that time you will have to very loud. You don't have to loud, means you have to raise the voice so that they will be able to hear you very clearly. So you have to raise the pitch of your voice. That is one more suggestion for you. And one thing I'm suggesting that you have to say there that suppose somebody is asking about your weaknesses, right? So if you know your weaknesses, that is fine. But at the same time, knowing your weaknesses is your strength. So that is the way you can defend your weaknesses, right? So primarily keep all those things in your mind that yes, if this question is going to be asked, I will give the answer like this. So imagine, questions by yourself and start framing answers accordingly, and try to practice by yourself. Sometimes you can practice it, by sitting in front of the mirror. It is very, doable. You can do it very easily at your place. And the last thing is your head movement like this. You don't have to do that, right? And nervousness is quite natural. It is not a negative thing, right? It happens with everybody. The one who is going to sit there, that person will be nervous a bit. That person will be having some anxiety. It is quite natural. Don't feel negative about it. But the one thing which is negative is when you are, answering or you are attempting to give some answer, and before that you are, starting thinking that whether should I speak it out or I should keep it inside. So that dilemma is, quite visible in your approach. So you have to kill that dilemma also, right? So these are the areas you have to work in, and I think you have a bright chance. Don't feel negative. I am just pointing out towards all these things so that things will be, better with time. When is the date? कब है डेट तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू का? When is the date of your interview?
16 अक्टूबर.
16 तारीख को इंटरव्यू तुम्हारा. कोई बात नहीं, तुम्हारे पास अभी टाइम है. You have much time. You can revise your subject. But this shift from your graduation subject to this optional, that shift must be justified, very positive way, right? Don't say that yes I chose this and एक दिन मेरे को ऐसा हुआ, रेवलेशन हुआ और मैंने हिस्ट्री छोड़ के सोशियोलॉजी ले लिया, ठीक है, देवी जी ने कहा मुझे. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए. बोलो कि मेरा शुरू से इंटरेस्ट था उसके अंदर, ठीक है.
ग्रेजुएशन में नहीं ले पाए.
हाँ, ग्रेजुएशन में अनफॉर्चुनेटली किसी ने मुझे बोला कि ये ज़्यादा अच्छा है, कर लिया मैंने, क्योंकि मुझे उधर भी इंटरेस्ट था, इधर भी इंटरेस्ट था. लेकिन वो जो इंटरेस्ट था अभी भी था, तो मेरे लिए एक सुनहरा मौका था, मैंने चूज़ कर लिया इसको और उस पोटेंशियल को डिस्कवर करने की कोशिश की है मैंने, ठीक है. ऐसे आंसर करना है, ठीक है. अभी हिल रहा है तुम्हारा माथा, हिलना नहीं है, ठीक है. ऐसे नहीं करना है, ठीक है. बाकी चीज़ अच्छी है तुम्हारी, बहुत अच्छी है, ठीक है, और तुम्हारा चांस अच्छा रहेगा. ये तुम्हारा फर्स्ट मॉक है आज, इसीलिए हो रहा है. कोई बात नहीं, और मॉक देने की कोशिश करना. यहाँ देना हो यहाँ दे देना, या कहीं और जाके देना हो और दे देना, लेकिन 2-4 अपीयरेंस तुम ले लो एग्ज़ाम में जाने के पहले. तुमको जितना आज एंग्जाइटी है ना, नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी तुम आओगे तुम देखना इसका 50% वैनिश हो जाएगा. उसके नेक्स्ट आओगे और कम हो जाएगा, और 4-5 अगर कर लिया ना तो बिल्कुल तुम वैसे हो जाओगे जैसे मेंबर्स बैठे हुए हैं, ठीक है. इसके लिए सोचना नहीं है.
आवाज़ लाउड
तुम देखना जैसे बाहर निकलोगे आवाज़ तेज़ हो जाएगी तुम्हारी, यहाँ से बाहर जाते ही आवाज़ तेज़ हो जाएगी तुम्हारी, ठीक है. तो ये सोचना कि
मीडियम पिच रखना होगा.
नहीं, इतना रखना कि वो सुन पाए तुम्हारी बात.
और ड्रेस कोड का क्या रहता है? साड़ी जरूरी?
साड़ी अच्छा रहेगा अगर पहनोगे तो. साड़ी बहुत वो है, अपील करता है.
साड़ी में नर्वसनेस फील होता है तो
नहीं, प्रैक्टिस कर लो ना. जैसे तुम मॉक देने आए हो, साड़ी पहन के आए होते आज, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. तो अब तुम मॉक जो भी तुम दोगे ना, उसमें साड़ी पहन के ही जाना, ठीक है. जैसे साड़ी एक हमारा कल्चरल इतना इंटीग्रल पार्ट है ना हमारे कल्चर का. इस साड़ी के प्रति एक रिस्पेक्ट है.
मार्क्स मिलता है क्या?
बिल्कुल मिलेगा. सबके मन में एक रिस्पेक्ट है, और एक साड़ी का इमेज अपना इंडिपेंडेंट है हर चीज़ से. तो सूट जीन्स सब एक तरफ, जब साड़ी आता है ना,
कलर अगर ब्लू हो तो चलेगा?
ग्रे करो, ग्रे बॉर्डर वाली साड़ियाँ हो, सूती वाली हो, जिसमें बॉर्डर बना हुआ है इतना चौड़ा सा, ठीक है. और ग्रे कलर हो, हल्का कलर हो, बहुत डार्क कलर की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ठीक है. और ये बाल ठीक है, और मतलब अगर साइड से लेकर फ्रंट पे ना आए तो ज़्यादा बेहतर है,
तो क्लिप,
ठीक है. हाँ, क्लिप लगा लेना तुम, ठीक है. बाकी जो तुम प्रैक्टिस करो तुम्हारा हो जाएगा, ठीक है. तुम बिहार से हो और इतना तुमने एफर्ट किया है, बहुत अप्रिशिएबल चीज़ है ये, ठीक है, अच्छी बात है.
वहाँ या जब इंटरव्यू देने आप जाएंगी तो आपसे पूछा जाएगा, अब मीडियम आपका जो भी हो उसे फ़र्क नहीं वहाँ पड़ता. आपसे पूछेंगे बोर्ड वाले कि आप अपना साक्षात्कार किस भाषा में लेना चाहेंगे.
अच्छा,
हाँ, पूछते हैं वो लोग तो यदि आप इंग्लिश में कंफर्टेबल हैं तो इंग्लिश में आप वहाँ फ्रिक्वेंटली बात कर सकती हैं।
नहीं मतलब अगर मेंस में इंग्लिश लिखे हो तो इंटरव्यू
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, क्योंकि आप देखें कि इंग्लिश में कई बार कंफर्टेबल, क्योंकि बिहार के बच्चे उतना नहीं बोल पाते हैं ना जो यहाँ रहते हैं वो।
तो ऐसा नहीं ना कि नंबर काट
नहीं वो कुछ नहीं, हम लोग खुद दे देते हैं वहाँ पे, तो परेशान नहीं होना है। तो आपसे पूछेंगे वो कि अब किस भाषा में दे जाएंगे, तो आपको अगर लगता है
तो
कि
हिंदी बोल सकते हैं।
हाँ, यदि आपको लगता है
मिक्स
कि
करके भी अगर हिंदी में कोई टर्म जैसे SDG है तो वो तो
इंग्लिश में बोल सकती हैं आप उसको।
हमको लग रहा था कि हिंदी अगर बोलना है तो पूरा हिंदी बोलना पड़ेगा।
कैसे लग रहा है गलत? नहीं ऐसा नहीं है। आपसे वहाँ पूछेंगे तो बोलिएगा सर कि मैं
नॉर्मल हिंदी भी बोल सकते
हाँ कि मैंने पढ़ाई अंग्रेजी में की है, तो इंग्लिश में मैंने मेंस लिखा, लेकिन मैं चाहूँगी कि मैं सरकार हिंदी
और
भाषा
हिंदी में बीच बीच में इंग्लिश का टर्म।
हाँ, हिंदी में आप बोलेंगे वहाँ पर कुछ जो टर्म्स होते हैं अंग्रेजी के, जैसे कि GDP हो गया है ना, SGDP हो गया, कुछ इंग्लिश का, आप उसके टर्म को यूज वहाँ कर सकते हैं।
इकोनॉमिक सर्वे तो इंग्लिश
हाँ बिल्कुल, आप उसको हिंदी में उनको बोल सकते हैं, इंग्लिश में टर्म उसको यूज कर सकती हैं, क्योंकि हिंदी में मेरे ख्याल से ज़्यादा प्रभावकारी होगा वहाँ पे देना। आप हिंदी में कंफर्टेबल भी हो जाएंगी ज़्यादा। देखो काम ज़्यादा करने से सर ने जो बताया है उसको अच्छे समझिएगा। बड़े बड़े जगह या 10 जगह इंटरव्यू देने मतलब नहीं होता है ना, यहाँ भी दिया वहाँ भी दिया वहाँ भी दे दिया। मतलब ये होता है कि आप जहाँ इंटरव्यू दे रही हैं वहाँ से हमको फीडबैक क्या मिला और हम कितना काम कर रहे हैं, राइट। जैसे अभी आप हमारे पास इंटरव्यू दी हैं तो हमें पता है कि आप में क्या कमियां हैं और हम जो बताएंगे उसमें कितना आप काम कर पाओगे।
यहाँ पे 2 इंटरव्यू और
हाँ, तो अगली बार जब मेरे पास में आप आएंगी तो हमने जो सजेशन आपको बताया है उसमें कितना काम की है तो हम जो करेंगे तो हमें कैलकुलेशन लगा लेंगे कि आप कितना मार्क्स आएगा, तो यकीन मानिए उतना ही मार्क्स आपको देगा। तो परेशान नहीं होना है ना, आपको 2 मौके हमारे यहाँ बाकी है, उसको 2 मौके दीजिएगा। बाकी आपको लगता है तो और जगह आप मौका दे सकती है हेजिटेशन दूर करने के लिए। जो इंटरव्यू देने आप जाएंगी तो सारी कैरी करना, और ये जो बाल जो बिखरे पड़े हैं ना, कोशिश करना है कि इन बाल को अच्छे तरीके से हम कैरी कर लें। आपका चेहरा बहुत सूखा सूखा लग रहा है, हो सकता है ट्रैवल करके आप आई हैं, लिप भी सूखा हुआ है, तो वहाँ जब आप जाएंगी इंटरव्यू देने के लिए,
वो तो अभी ट्रेन से आए।
अच्छा ट्रेन से आई हैं, हम समझ रहे हैं। तो वहाँ जब आप जाएंगे तो थोड़ा सा अपने चेहरे पे काम करके जाइएगा, लिप बाम रखिएगा ताकि वहाँ लिप लगा ले। देखो जहाँ काम करना है ना, आपने एक सबसे अनजस्टिफिकेबल जवाब दिया है कि हिस्ट्री से सोशियोलॉजी क्यों चूज कर लिया है। ये भी आर्ट्स का विषय है, ये भी आर्ट्स का विषय है लगभग, है ना। तो इसको एक कॉन्क्रीट आंसर तैयार करके जाना कि मैंने इन कारणों से सोशियोलॉजी को रखा है ना। और इतिहास के विषय में कुछ काम करके, चूँकि बहुत सारे बच्चे जो हिस्ट्री से क्वालिफाई किए उनसे पूछा जाता है, गया भी अभी इंटरव्यू में, कि इतिहास की कौन सी 3-4 घटनाओं से आप प्रेरित हैं और प्रशासक के रूप में आप उसको यूज़ करना चाहेंगे। आपको बोलना चाहिए था कि सर आपके बिहार के ही शेर शाह सूरी, प्रशासन उससे बेहतर कोई काम थोड़ी किया है। रोड बनवाया, अस्पताल बनाया, सराय बनवाए हैं, उसके बाद कि पोखर बनवाया, मैं वो काम करूँगी। तो बिहार को छोड़ करके आप चले जाते हैं चंपारण में, क्या वहाँ से क्या सीख मिलेगा? लीडर तो आप लीडर थोड़े बनने थे, लीडर के तो है ही ललन सिंह जी, है ना। आपको प्रशासक बनना है, तो आप कुछ ऐसे कैरेक्टर को ढूंढिए अपने हिस्ट्री से कि जिसका यूज एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में हुआ। अकबर आ सकते हैं हमारे, औरंगजेब आ सकते हैं, फिरोज तुगलक आ सकते हैं, है ना, जो बढ़िया काम किया उनका आप यूज कर सकती हैं। दूसरी बात क्या है कि आपका जो हैंड मूवमेंट है, एक तो आप बैठी बहुत लूज पूज टाइप की हो, है ना, बैठना है तो बिल्कुल ऐसे स्ट्रेट और थोड़ा सा हमको दोनों हाथ पर, हाँ ऐसा ये होता है, ये होता ही है। मतलब पीठ को टिकाने के लिए आप ऐसे आराम से लेकर के उनको बैठना है वहाँ पर, है ना। और बाकी आपको अपने जिले पर काम करना होगा, है ना। प्रायः यहाँ पे बोला जाता है कि उनके पास कुछ नहीं होता है, उनके पास आपका खाता खिस्सा सब होता है। बीपीएससी के पास पूरी कुंडली होती है, आप किस समुदाय से हो, कहाँ जन्म हुआ, क्या पढ़ाई लिखाई किया, क्या कैसे किया, उनके पास ये चिट्ठी चला जाता है। उसी के आधार पर आपसे वो प्रश्न पूछते हैं, समझ में आया। तो आपसे डिस्ट्रिक्ट से पूछेंगे ही पूछेंगे कि खासकर जो चौहद्दी है वो पूछा जाता है ना। तो अपने होम डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो आपका है मुंगेर, वहाँ पे काम कर लीजिएगा। बिहार की जो समस्या है, जैसे कि आपदा की समस्या है ना, बिहार की पिछड़ापन की समस्या, ये समान से प्रश्न जो पूछे जाते हैं उस पर आप अच्छे से काम कर लीजिएगा। अपनी हॉबी पे अच्छे से काम कर लीजिएगा। और जहाँ भी आपको लगा है, चूँकि आप इंटरव्यू दिए तो आपको कमी अनुभव तो कर ही रही होंगी, मेरे पास कहाँ लैक हुआ है, उस पर भी आप अच्छे काम कीजिएगा। तो यकीन मानिए कि आप मतलब एक बूस्ट मिलेगा आपको बहुत ज़्यादा, है ना। सबको जाना है, अपना काम कीजिए। और बाकी इंटरव्यू आप होगा, सिलेक्शन भी आपका होगा। पहला इंटरव्यू तो डर तो लगता ही है बच्चों को, है ना, घबराने की बात नहीं है, हाँ वो सबको होता है वो, है ना। और कोई कुछ पूछना है आपको?
मेरा अगला 2 मॉक भी यही है, तो डेट नहीं पता है।
डेट हम आपको कब देना चाहती हैं आप ये बताइए? 2
10
दिन
तक में, क्योंकि फिर 16 को है तो 5 दिन मिरर प्रैक्टिस सब कर लेंगे।
अच्छा 10 के ही भीतर में देना है
हाँ।
आपको, ठीक है। तो एक हम 7 का कर देते हैं, एक 9 का कर देते हैं, आपको मैसेज डाल देते हैं, है ना। और कोई क्वेश्चंस अभी जो इंटरव्यू दिए उसके अलावा उसमें कोई क्वेश्चन
नहीं तो